circular around the eyes. 1. Then I'm going to stroking. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is number 3. So now I'm going to continue number 4. Okay. Open, slide down, close the thumb, turn, lift up. I'm going to slide up to the yin tang, and then now I'm going to use in the finger. 1, 2. Stay for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And after that, I'm going to bend the index finger. I'm going to unblock the acupoint under the eyes to the temple. Okay? Then the thumb, I'm going to slide to the temple. I'm going to cross with circular. We massage on the temple. 1, 2. Press down. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to flick down, lift up the jawline, and then I'm going to 1, press, lift up, lift up. Here they got 1 acupoint. And then I'm going to open, slide to the temple, and then I'm going to play, close, I'm going to clap. Okay, so this is number 4. And then I'm going to continue number 5. I'm going to put a little bit, a little bit oil. Okay, 5. Support, lift up. 1, 2. Look, I'm going to bend the thumb and then double. I'm going to lift up. Can you see the cheekbone? And here